Now we will discuss the effect of wavelength, frequency and speed during refraction. Whenever any source of the light will emit a wavefront and it is traveling from one medium to another, frequency is not changing. Why it is not changing? Because frequency is 1 by t. T is the time period after which source is emitting wavefronts, and this time period is fixed. That's why frequency is not changing, right? But velocity and wavelength, they both are changing. Velocity is changing because refractive index depends upon velocity only, right? Or you can say, we have done earlier also that why because of the change in the wavelength the refractive index is changed. So all these formulas we have already done, right? So whenever light is going on from one medium to another, frequency is not changing but velocity and wavelength are changing, right? Now, if we talk about the rays when they pass through the prism, lens or mirror, then what type of behavior can be there? So this question can be asked in the paper to draw the diagram also or to explain. So when I talk about, this is my prism, right? So any wavefront, any plane wavefront, let AB, will strike this prism. It means the rays which I have to draw will be like this. If I will extend it up to this point, then my ray first will be here. You can draw it here also, no problem. So second ray I am taking from this edge, which is very thin. So whenever plane wavefront is traveling toward this prism, what will be the type of the wavefront which will come out of it? This is our question. So when the ray from point A, which is passing through this broad base, it means it has to cover more distance in this denser medium, right? Here the point is thin, here it is very thick. So thickness here is very, very large as compared to this point. It means ray or light when go from rarer to denser medium, speed will decrease. It means this ray which is passing through this broad base will be slowed down earlier as compared to the ray which is passing through this thin point, because यहाँ पे ज़्यादा distance cover कर रहा है वो denser में, और denser में जाके speed slow हो जाती है. It mean ये जल्दी रुक जाएगा, so ये जल्दी slow down हो जाएगा. So let ये particle जो है यहीं पे slow down हो गया हमारा, ठीक है. Refraction दिखानी है तो bending तो हमें दिखानी पड़ेगी. और ये वाला पार्टिकल क्या है, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आगे जाके, इसके कंपैरेटिवली थोड़ा आगे जाके स्लो डाउन होएगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे स्पीड इतनी कम नहीं हुई है, ठीक है. सो आई विल जॉइन इट, राइट. सो these are the 2 points on the basis of the distance covered by them. When I will join, or when you will draw the arcs at these 2 points, if arcs you want to draw, then you can draw. If you don't want, then join them by simple tangential line. So join them by this type of tangential line. So what we will obtain, we again obtain a plane wavefront, but it is little bit inclined as compared to this wave front. Now I will draw my rays here, right? So these are the 2 points which we have discussed. So this is A dash, B dash. So after refraction, plane wavefront will again be plane wavefront through the prism, but it is little bit tilted as compared to this plane wavefront, incident wavefront AB. Now we talk about lens. If in a lens we will work on the same theory, plane wavefront strike, we have 3 rays which are passing. 2 I am taking from the thin corners, 1 I am taking from the broad center. Here more distance is covered, it means it will slow down earlier, but ये थोड़ा दूर जाके रुकेंगे, right? They will slow down. Bending तो हमने दिखानी है, ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस वाला सीधा निकलता होता है और ये वाले बेंड हो जाते होते, ठीक है. लेकिन ये यहाँ जाके रुकेगा, थोड़ा सा आगे जाके, ठीक है. ये भी ज़्यादा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्पीड इतनी कम नहीं हुई है, यहाँ पे स्पीड बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गई क्योंकि डेंसर मीडियम ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे जो डिस्टेंस कवर किया है इसने. सो व्हेन यू विल जॉइन दीज 3 पॉइंट्स, व्हाट यू विल ऑब्टेन, you will obtain this type of spherical wavefront which will converge, you can say which will converge to a point. So you will draw it like this, right? So it will be like this. If you want to leave it here, you can leave, but if you want to make it join at a focus, you can do that also. Here F can also you can make, right? So in case of the lens, plane wavefront will be refracted as a converging wavefront, converging toward the focus. So third is in case of the mirror. If this is your mirror, right? In mirror again plane wavefront will strike, so I am drawing the 3 rays, right? So the reflection will take place here, it will strike and come back, right? If you will see, this is the arced part, right? This is arc part. So here the distance covered will be more as compared to these 2 points, so it will be slowed down early, but they will go up to farther distances. Okay, so when you will join them, you will again get converging kind of a diagram. So plane wavefront on striking the mirror will be reflected as a converging surface which is converging toward the focus. तो आप ये जो रे आई ये भी तो आपकी ऐसे जाएगी ना, ये जो रे आई थी आपकी ये आपकी ऐसे जाएगी, राइट? सो आप ये वाली रे हमने पहले ही वापस कर दी है, यहाँ पे छोड़ना छोड़ सकते हो, अगर आप इसको फोकस पे जाके ज्वाइन करवाना चाहते हो ये भी कर सकते हो.